is not just a regular credit card. This is the American Express Platinum Card. The Platinum Card has a reputation for catering to all of its clients with all kinds of perks, including zero fraud liability.
The Platinum Card from American Express continues to stand out as one of the best cards among the many that have undergone improvements recently. This card has advantages worth more than $1,400 and a tempting welcome bonus offer. But is obtaining the Amex Platinum difficult? Today, we're going to discuss how to get an Amex Platinum card. One of the most well-known premium travel cards is the American Express Platinum Card. For luxury travelers, this card gives the full package with more than $1,400 in statement credits annually, lounge advantages, hotel elite status, and travel coverage. There are a few things you should be aware of before agreeing to pay the $695 annual fee. Think about if the card is a good fit for you. Make sure you can qualify for the welcome offer based on your credit score. To make sure you can take advantage of the most annual credits, check the calendar or timing your application appropriately. Last but not least, think about who might gain from being added as an authorized user. The American Express Platinum typically requires a credit score of at least 700. Since the average credit score is 715, getting an Amex Platinum card isn't particularly difficult. However, a few applicants with credit scores in the 600s, even as low as 643, have also been accepted. You might wait till your credit score exceeds 700 if it is on the verge of being 700. In this manner, your credit will be viewed as good or above average. Paying off any credit card debt you currently owe, finishing off a loan, and refraining from applying for a new credit account are a few easy strategies to raise your credit score. This includes refraining from applying for any new credit card accounts because each one lowers your score by a few points. The Platinum Card from American Express may still be authorized for you even if your credit score is in the 600s, but it will rely on the quality of your credit. If you have a low debt-to-income ratio and have not recently applied for numerous new credit accounts, your chances of accepting will be the highest. This shows American Express that even if your credit score may be poor, you're capable of handling your credit responsibly. The reviewer may believe that you are going on a spending binge and won't be able to afford your monthly payment if you have too many new accounts, which could harm your chances of getting approved. Even though American Express doesn't follow the strict 524 rule like Chase, which prevents applicants from being approved if they have applied for 5 new credit cards in the past 24 months, too many recent applications can still raise concerns. A welcome bonus on an American Express card is available just once in a person's lifetime. Regarding the qualifications for American Express Platinum, this is crucial. If you have concerns about your credit score, you may want to consider applying for another American Express credit card initially. This can be a prudent decision, especially if you don't currently have a credit card. Demonstrating responsible credit card management can improve your chances of approval. The Amex Platinum Card is renowned for being one of the most prestigious travel credit cards available. Pursuing an American Express credit card application helps establish a relationship with Amex, and it can facilitate your eligibility for an Amex Platinum card in the near future. American Express offers some of the best no annual fee travel credit cards. Because the American Express Gold Card is less expensive than the Platinum Card and also provides travel and dining perks, you might want to take it into consideration. The Gold Card's annual fee is $250. However, it doesn't have all the extra travel perks or earn purchases rewards on trips purchases as rapidly. Waiting for around 2 years before applying for the Amex Platinum Card after obtaining your initial credit card is a suggestion given by some experts. The timeline depends significantly on your credit history. If your credit score falls within the 700s or upper 600 range, you may be eligible to apply as soon as 6 months, assuming you have a clean record of on-time payments. If you're 21 years of age or older when you apply for the Platinum Card from American Express, your chances of being accepted are significantly higher. You must be at least 18 years old to be an authorized user. The restriction won't exclude too many applicants because the majority of minors do not have the credit rating or income to pay the annual charge. In essence, American Express wants to know if applicants have demonstrated their ability to honor promises by holding down a consistent employment or completing college in the 4 years between high school graduation at age 18 and when they typically land their first real job at age 21. Even if you're under 21, you're still able to apply. To get this metal credit card, though, you might need to provide further proof of your income. In contrast to other credit cards, which exempt the first year's annual fee, the $695 annual fee will be assessed on your first period of monthly billing. Don't apply for the card if you lack $695 required to cover the yearly fee. You must additionally pay $195 up advances for each new card if you want to add an authorized user. The advantages listed below demonstrate why some travel credit cards are worthwhile. The Platinum Card from American Express has no stated salary restrictions for eligibility, but the better, the more money you make. If you have good credit and yearly income of close to $100,000, being approved shouldn't be a problem. On the other hand, candidates with annual earnings as low as $40,000 have also been accepted if they have a low debt-to-income ratio and pay off their credit cards in full each month. You'll almost certainly get a smaller credit limit if your income is lower. However, it still means you receive the Platinum Card and have access to all the advantages. To maintain your monthly balance under 30% of the credit limit on your Platinum Card, you might need to make additional transactions using your supplementary cards. Your credit score will be maximized as a result. You'll have the ability to add authorized users when you apply for this card. A second Platinum Card or a second Gold Card are your options for adding authorized user cards. Amex charges $195 for each extra Platinum Card, up to 3 in total. That might seem expensive, especially when added to the $695 annual charge for the card. Nevertheless, depending on how the authorized user intends to use their perks, this might be a great deal. Access to the American Express Global Lounge Collection, which includes Amex's premier Centurion lounges, is free for additional Platinum Card holders. In addition, extra Platinum Card holders receive access to the fine hotels and resort programs, Hilton Honors Gold Level and Marriott Bonvoy Gold Elite status, membership required. An alternative is to add a complimentary Companion Platinum user. The perks of Elite status and lounge access are not shared by Companion Card users and authorized Platinum Card holders. They can, however, obtain their own TSA PreCheck or Global Entry credit and assist you with obtaining membership rewards. Rules apply. Adding an authorized user is simple. Visit the Useful Links area on your account homepage after logging in. Complete the registration process by clicking Add Someone to your account. When you apply, you must include the Social Security number and birth date of the authorized user. The Social Security number may also be added afterwards, but only after 60 days have passed. The card is sent in 3 to 5 business days. Adding an authorized user does not happen immediately. Some benefits, including admission to Centurion lounges, will require authorization before authorized individuals can enjoy them. You'll need to consider how the card's perks and advantages such as lounge access, hotel elite status, and a TSA PreCheck Global Entry credit can offset the $195 annual charge for up to 3 authorized users. There are alternative credit cards to offer equivalent or higher levels of Hotel Elite membership if that's what you're looking for. If you want to apply for Global Entry or TSA PreCheck, an authorized user can save up to $100 in the first year of doing so. There are alternative credit cards that offer this benefit for a lower price if that's the only perk you're interested in. The final step is to apply for an American Express Platinum Card. The simplest method is to apply online, where you can enter all your personal information and your salary and get a decision right away. American Express may hold your application for further assessment if they have certain concerns about your credit history and notify you of their decision within a few business days. That's all about today's video. If you liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon to get notified of our upcoming videos. Let us know your opinion in the comment section below.